Hello student, I am Mrs. Shweta Shailendra Pandare, Assistant Teacher, Vidyapit High School, Kolhapur. Chapter 5 Expansion Formulae. Let's learn the formula a plus b plus c bracket square and the question number 1 in practice set 5.4. Let's learn fourth expansion formula, that is a plus b plus c bracket square. So how we expand this a plus b plus c bracket square? We write as like this: 2 times multiplication of this bracket a plus b plus c into a plus b plus c bracket complete. Hence, this a is multiple to all these bracket, this b multiple to all these bracket, and also this c is multiple to all these bracket. Let multiple a in bracket a plus b plus c plus sign b in bracket a plus b plus c in bracket a plus b plus c bracket complete. Make the multiplication. First, a into a square plus ab plus ac plus b, a we write ab, plus b square plus bc into ac plus bc plus c square. In the next step, see the like terms here. Here is AB, here is also AB, here is AC, here is AC, then BC, here is BC. So we make addition of these the like terms. First, a square plus b square plus c square plus ab into ab, that is 2ab, then bc into bc 2bc plus AC into AC, that is 2AC. So as like this, we get the expansion of this formula a plus b plus c bracket square, that is a square plus b square plus c square plus twice ab, twice bc and twice CA, or 2AB, 2BC, 2AC. Hence we write as like this, that A plus B plus C bracket square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2AC. We get this fourth formula in this chapter, and See, next, that is the practice set number 5.4, that the examples are based on this formula. Practice set 5.4 examples. We solve examples by using the formula, expansion formula, a plus b plus c bracket square is equal to, these are the three terms. You remember this formula so easily as like this. There is the square of first term, then square of second term, then square of third term. Next, plus 2 into first term into second term, then 2 into second term into third term. This is second term and this is third term. And last, plus 2 into third term and first term. This is 2 into third term and first term. So we get this formula, a square b square c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. By using this formula, we solve the example. Example number 1, 2p plus q plus 5 bracket square. So this is a, this is b and this is c. Let expand by using this formula. First, there is the squares. So first term square into second term square, that is q square, plus third term square, plus 2 into first and second term. 2 into q plus 2 into q into 5 plus 2 into 5 into 2p. Make the squares. 4p square plus q square plus 25. Make multiplication. Plus 4pq plus 2 into 5 10q plus 2 into 5 into 2p, that is 2 into 5 10 20p. So see the expansion of this given example, that is 4p square q square plus 25 plus 4pq plus 10q plus 20p. This is our answer. Example number 3. 3x plus 4y minus 5p bracket square. Again we use this formula, a plus b plus c bracket square. This is a, this is b and this is c. So by use this formula, how we expand this? In first step, square of 3x plus square of 4y, that is the second term, plus here is minus sign, hence minus 5p square plus 2 into first and second term, 3x into 4y plus 2 into second and third 4y plus into minus 5p plus 2 into this third and first term into minus 5p into 3x. In next step we make the squares. 3x square, square of 3 is 9x square plus 16y square. Here minus 5 into minus 5. Square of this is plus 25 p square plus 2 into 3x into 4y, 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 4, that is 24 xy, xy. Then next 2 into 4, 8. 8 into 5, that is 40. But here is minus sign. Hence minus 40 yp. Here is also minus sign. Hence 2 into 5, 10. 10 into 3, 30. Minus 30 px. So see the expansion of this given example by using the formula, that is a plus b plus c square. Example number 4. 7m minus 3n minus 4k bracket square. Again we use the formula a plus b plus c bracket square. This is a, this is b, and this is c. So first make the squares. 7m square plus minus 3n square plus minus 4k square. Next plus 2 into first and second term, 7m into minus 3n plus 2 into second and third, that minus 3n into minus 4k plus 2 into last and first term, minus 4k into 7m. Make the squares. 7 square 49 m square. Here minus 3, hence minus minus plus 9n square. Here also minus 4 into minus 4 plus 4, 16 k square plus multiplication of these. 2 into 7, 14 into minus 3, that is minus 42 mn. Again here minus sign. Hence minus 4 into minus 3, 12 plus 12 into 2, that is plus 24 and k. Here 2 into minus 4, that is 8, and into 7, that is minus 56 k So by using this formula, we expand the given example. When you expand, you remember that the signs, and also when you multiply with the plus into minus sign, then there is answer is minus. But when you multiply two negative numbers, that is answer is positive. So carefully you do the multiplication with the signs, and then you expand the given example by using formula. So solve all the examples in this practice set.